This is the SFX70 Good Shunting Sounds capsule from Train Tech. This is the main capsule. Got a battery and a tube and the instructions included in the set. And the main sound capsule itself, you've got a little loudspeaker on the front, the electronics are underneath. There's a battery holder on the back, a sound volume link there, and also this all-important motion sensor, which is going to detect whether your wagons are moving or stationary so that it plays the right sounds at the right time. So let's have a look at what it sounds like. Now, adding this sound tube makes a big difference to the sound volume and the richness of the sound as well. I'm going to clip the battery in. You should clip the battery under the gold contact first. I'm going to make it stationary, just sit there for a moment. And of course, once it's stationary, as you'd expect, the good sound doesn't make any noise at all. But as soon as it starts to move, you'll start to hear the sounds of wheel squeals and loose coupled stock that you'd expect to hear. And the more motion that it picks up, the more sound it will play. So if you're pulling this behind a shunter, the more points and bumps it goes over, the more it will play. And once it's stationary, of course, it doesn't play any sound at all. Now, as far as mounting this, there's quite a lot of wagons and things that you can mount this onto. This is one we particularly like. This is made by Hornby. It's a cattle wagon, actually, but it has got ventilation holes in there, which can double nicely as sound holes. So you could tuck the module into there very quickly, add the roof, and you've got it done. Very, very easy to do. There's another alternative wagon that we found by Bachmann, this one here. This is a cloth, and it's actual cloth that's covering the top, which if you remove it, you could fit the sound capsule in there. The little bit of adaptation. Now, I mentioned the sound volume link earlier on, and that's here. Although this is quite loud, and I think for most people this might be loud enough, otherwise it might start getting annoying on your layout. But if you want to, you can just remove that little wire link. It's supplied with the link in, and you can probably hear this quite a lot louder. Right, well, let's see what this sounds like on a train.